this video, what I am going to tell you is that how can you find out my blog spot. So let's have a start to search on it. So what do you have to do? You have to write down nahishshahzad.blogspot.com. So when you will write it down, then what will happen when you have to enter it, and what you will get it, my blog spot. And on this my blog spot, what you will get it, for example, I have made blog of strength of material laboratory work, so you can see variety of videos related to this in the sequence in order. And one more thing, it is on the it is in construction process still, because I am not getting enough time for doing this, because my physical classes are also started. But this I have made for the convenience of my students. So what I have done over here, you can see right now what I have done. How can you search out my blogs? So but one thing I want to tell you over here is what do you have to do? First of all, let me check it out whether my screen is sharing with you or not. So it is sharing. And what I want to tell you over here is that don't forget to follow me on my blog. So you have to click on this follow tab to be part of my blog community. And what you have to do, you can see the blog archives over here. When you will click on it, so you will get how many posts I have uploaded in the month of January and in the month of February, because I have started this blog in the January. It's hardly it's now 2 months or right now. So what you have to do, when you will click on January, so whatever the post I have uploaded in the month of January, so you will get it from here. And when you will click on in February, in the month of February, whatever the post I have uploaded here in the month of February, there are lots of posts in the month of February, so you can find it from here. So you can see there are 31 posts in the February and 10 posts in January. So what you have to do, you can see what is this one thing. What I have done, these are my blogs and home. You can find out the engineering mechanics theory lectures in this one single click. So when you will click on it, so what will happen? Let's wait. Oh my god, internet is getting down. So let me see what you have to do. Okay, it's the problem with the internet. So you have to click on the strength of material theory lecture. So you will find out my theory lectures over here, strength of material. So this is the way to find out my all lectures. When you will click on the history worksheet, so you will get it. So there are a variety of worksheets for the students. For the students of grade 4 are here, you can find it. But the main issue is for the undergrad courses. So what is this? I have provided the strength of material theory lectures over here, or obviously I will create the link of strength of material theory practicals over here. So when I will upload any video over here, I will update it, and you will get all the lectures in the sequence. So this is the way to find out my YouTube lectures of strength of material, because mostly students are not getting my point. One more thing you can do, that you will find out near post, home and older post. When you click on it, so you will get more post over here. And one thing I have done here is that what you can see, my all the popular posts are in the down of the my page blog. So you will get all the videos of my YouTube. You will hear whatever the blogs I write it here. If it is relevant to you, so must read it, and must tell me your comments, because your feedbacks and comments are the strength of this blog. Keep consistent in commenting, and you can find out the strength of. I have just created this blog, so strength of material laboratory works are here. So you will find all the videos related to the strength of material in this single blog. So what will happen, you will you have to click on a single link, and you will get my all lectures in a sequence. So this will be helpful to you, all of you guys. And if you have any feedback, if you want to give me any suggestions, so must write in the comment box, and must comment me on the my blog. So you this is the way where you can post a comment wherever the blog is. So you have to post the comment, whether it is negative, whether it is positive, but you must have to share your comments and feedback. So I will work on that. Hopefully it will helpful for me to improve my work for the for my blog and for my channel as well. So it's in what if you want here you will find it about how can you comment as. So you can write down whatever the name you have, so you have to select it accordingly. If you don't want to post your name, so you can come with anonymous. So it's up to you, and you must notify me and must tell me your feedback. Don't forget it. Thank you so much, and hopefully you will follow my blogspot and you will subscribe my channel. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell notification. And when you will find this blog and my YouTube channel is helpful, so what you have to do, you have to share with your family and friends. Thank you so much.